Most people are lazy. That is why they will stay a skinny, fat loser. I remember a few days ago, I had kickboxing training and I was completely unmotivated. I was contemplating, should I go to training? I don't really feel like it. My muscles are kind of sore and I'm too tired. And I thought to myself, well, why don't I just go inside the club, go inside the building, and then if I don't want to do it, I can just come back home. So I went inside, and then I went to the changing room, I started putting on my wraps, I was speaking to people, and before I knew it, I was kicking the bag, I was punching the shit out of the bag, and I was doing my training. But what you have to see is I tricked my brain. Because I said, I'm just going to go inside. Just going to go inside to the building and then I will see whether or not I'll do training. Maybe I'll just fucking go home. But do you think if you just go to the gym, so you don't feel motivated to go to the gym, you go to the gym, what are you going to do? What do you think you're going to do? You're going to sit on the bench, you're going to think, well, there's dumbbells here. You pick up the dumbbells, start fucking pressing them. And before you know it, you've done a gym workout. It's that easy. You have to just fucking command yourself to just do the first step. So just walking to the gym or going to the gym, going inside. Okay, I'm going to sit on the bench press. I've got dumbbells. I'm doing this up and down motion. Hey, I'm getting a pump. Before you fucking know it, you've done your workout. But yeah, you just sit on the bench press. So sit on the bench press and then you get the dumbbell and then you just do one rep and then you've done a workout. It's that fucking easy. You just command yourself to do the first step. And what will happen is you're just going to do the whole thing. That's how easy it is. Maybe you need to put on your headphones first. Put on your headphones, feeling quite hyped. I'm going to go to the gym. You've done a good workout. There you go. But why are people not motivated? It's because they have no diet. They're not motivated to get big and get strong because they have no fucking diet. They're just eating food until they feel sick or until they feel no longer hungry. And then they find out that they've lost weight or they're the same weight. And they're like, what the fuck? What am I doing? You need a diet. You need a diet plan. You need a workout plan. You're not going to get big if you're fucking jerking off, eating your bananas and eating healthy and going to the gym now and again and doing whatever the fuck you like. You're not going to get any results. You have to be dedicated. You have to make a workout plan. Get a diet plan. If you don't have this shit, get the fucking course. What are you doing? The aesthetic teams course. I don't even have to fucking tell you about it. It's in the description. Just check it out. You get the workout plan, you get the diet plan, you get all the shit you need to just get big, to just look sick. There's people that are actually chasing after their goals and going after what they want in life and getting the physique that they want. They have bought the course. They are on this side. And you are sat here getting your fucking dopamine and then jerking off after and doing nothing with your life and being a skinny fat loser. What would you rather be? What would you rather be? All these guys over here are a loser. Obviously you want to be like the guys over here. So just check it out. If you track 1 calorie, what are you going to do? You're going to track all your calories. What I find is sometimes I forget to track my calories. And then it becomes a habit, and then I'm like, oh fuck, I haven't tracked my calories. And if I just track 1 calorie, chairs in the frame, I just noticed that. It's poor by me. If I just track 1 calorie, I'm gonna track all my calories. And I'm saying that, and I still haven't tracked my fucking calories today. So after this video, I'm gonna track my calories. I've eaten, because I'm in a routine, I don't really I eat the same amount of foods. So I'm roughly about halfway through my goal, which is about 1,500 calories. So I'll eat about 3,000, 3,500. But if you just track the first calorie, you're going to find yourself just doing it over and over again. So do that first step. Show up. It's the little action you need to take. It's just that minute fucking detail which changes the whole arrangement of what you fucking do, what you believe is possible. Because motivation is fucking, it's good, but it's not sustainable. You just need to take the first step. So this morning I felt completely unmotivated. I really wanted to jerk off. The last 2 days I've really wanted to jerk off. I don't know why. I think maybe it's just something's happened, but my urges are very high. So what did I do this morning? I woke up and I did something that made me feel a bit better, so it didn't really feel like relapsing, but then I did work. Then I sat down, I scripted videos, I worked on colleges, what colleges I want to go to, I read books, I did little action, but it all stemmed from scripting a video. It all stemmed from doing something I don't want to do. I've done a lot of things now. Today. Talking about today. Done a lot of fucking shit already. It's like 1 o'clock. That all stemmed from me doing the one thing I didn't want to do. So, what is better than a lot of action? What is better? So you do a lot of action. You do a lot of gym today, let's say. What is better? What is better than doing a lot of action, doing a lot of things? It is doing those things, or doing things consistently. What trumps a lot of action is consistent action. It's showing up consistently. It's not doing the one big workout every week or two. It's about showing up every day, doing a fucking bicep curl every day. Eventually you're going to gain muscle. And obviously, I'm not saying do one bicep curl, that's stupid, but show up consistently. Show up every day, consistently. Doesn't have to be every single day, but just showing up every few days, all the time, being consistent, making a schedule and dedicating yourself to the schedule. That is what separates the people who succeed and don't succeed and are still fat, ugly losers. It's like the Bruce Lee quote. I don't think anyone remembers it completely, but I don't fear the man who does 1,000 kicks in a day. I fear the man who does 1,000. Fuck, I've already fucked up. I don't fear the man who does 1,000 kicks in a day. I fear the man who does 1 kick for 1,000 days. Or I don't fear the man that does 1,000 push-ups. I fear the man that does 1 push-up for 1,000 days. That is the point. The person who shows up consistently is more dangerous than the guy who does a shit ton for 1 day a year. It's pointless. It's why most of my friends are not getting the shit that they want, because they show up whenever the fuck they feel like. I show up when I don't feel like it. I show up every fucking day. And that is why I'm getting results. So, if you don't know whether you should cut or bulk, check out this video right here. And have a good day. Mwah.